All right, guys, you seen that title in the thumbnail, and we had done salmon in a while, so it's time to bring it back on the menu. I'm gonna show you guys how to make hot honey salmon bites. Y'all ready? Get in the kitchen, let's go. All right, let's do a quick rundown of the ingredients. Right here we have our salmon. I cut them into bite-sized pieces like that. That's how you want it. We have our honey, smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder. In these two dishes we have some freshly squeezed lemon juice, soy sauce, hot sauce, salt, pepper, olive oil, and 3 tablespoons of butter. That's it, all you need. Let's get to it. So to get started, we're gonna season our salmon, and we're gonna start off by adding our olive oil here, along with some lemon juice, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, and some smoked paprika. We're gonna go in with our hands or a spoon, however you wanna do it, get it mixed in real good. Just like that, guys. Now, we're just gonna sit this aside for about 10 to 15 minutes, let that salmon soak up that seasoning, and also let that lemon juice infuse, all right? So while our salmon is marinating, we're gonna prepare our hot honey sauce. We're gonna start off by melting our butter. As that butter melts, we're gonna add our honey. We're gonna drop our heat down to low. Gonna add our hot sauce, our soy sauce, and our lemon juice. We're gonna get this mixed in here. Continue to allow that butter to melt. Once you get it incorporated really well, we're gonna let that baby simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes on low. All right, guys, so we're about 5 to 7 minutes in. Gonna turn off our cooktop. Gonna pour our hot honey sauce here. It's looking good, smelling good. All right, so let's move over to our air fryer so we continue with the recipe. All right, so we're at our air fryer right now. Before we get it preheated, we're gonna spray it down with a little cooking spray. Close it up. We're gonna air fry this baby on 400 degrees, and we're gonna cook it for about 10 minutes, really 7 to 10 minutes. It's totally up to you. We may pull it out before then. So let's go ahead and get it preheated real quick. And as you see, once that baby stops right there, we're gonna be ready to go. All right, so it looks like we're preheated. We're ready to go. Now we're gonna start adding our salmon, and we're gonna make sure this baby is they're on a single layer, that they're not on top of each other. All right, guys, now that we have all our salmon in there, they're all in a single layer. Make sure they're not stacked on top of each other. We're gonna close this baby up. Automatically starts on 10 minutes. Now after 5 minutes, what we're gonna do is we're gonna shake that baby up or move those salmon pieces around and then let it cook it for the remaining time. All right, so let's go ahead and pause it at 5 minutes. We're gonna open our lid. All right, so now I'm gonna remove the pan, and I'm just gonna shake it up, because if you try to move it with a fork or something like that, what's gonna happen is this baby is gonna, they're gonna tear apart. So you just wanna kinda shake it up. All right, just that quick. We're gonna add that back in here, put that baby down, let it finish for the next 5 minutes. All right, guys, so it says get food. And that's what we have right there, our finished salmon. All right, next we're gonna add all right, so let's go ahead and get these babies sauced up. All right, now we're gonna drizzle that baby with some of our hot honey sauce. Get them tossed around in here like this. You kind of want to be a little careful because they can tear, you know, these salmon tears easily. And guys, look at what we have. Take a look at that. Beautiful. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get this baby plated up so we can jump into quality control. there you have it, guys. Hot honey garlic salmon bites. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control. We need to do a taste test. We need to see what these babies about. All right, guys, I couldn't wait to this segment of the show, and that's to bring this salmon to the front of the congregation. Y'all already know it's quality control. These little bite-sized bundles of joy, I'm telling you, man. Let's go ahead and pop one in here. You already know. Oh, man. That hot honey sauce goes well with it. Listen, guys, we know that salmon is already good, it's fire, but we like to put twists on some of our food. That way we don't end up with the same meal all the time, and this hot honey does this wonders. So, guys, good. I can eat this whole plate. Definitely add this one to your All Wings Everything recipes to cook. So, till then, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything, and remember, I'm not a chef, I'm just cook a lot, and I'm out. Peace.